Our energy division sources the very best engineering talent within the project lifecycle. Now that's right across electrification, renewable energy, water, power and nuclear. And within those subsectors we focus on design, engineering and construction, operations and maintenance and also project management. Now the advantage at Jonathan Lee is that many of our consultants come from an engineering background, and we honestly do pride ourselves with our in-depth knowledge and understanding of skills and experiences that are required for these specialist roles within the energy marketplace. As the energy sector is constantly transforming and technology becomes smarter and cleaner, we as a business are constantly adapting, and that's offering our commitment to our clients with a quality tailor-made service within this forever changing demanding marketplace. Now we work across the whole sector of different clients which range from initial startups through to SME businesses and larger blue chip companies, but we all provide our clients with a world-class recruitment service.